Fix It Tony here. So we have the S-10 back again. We're going to do a quick upgrade. We're going to put some new headlights on. These are all fogged up and look ugly, and they're blocking light from getting in. So we're going to go ahead and pull the bulbs out of here. And these have some HIDs, but we're going to see if we can switch these to the new LEDs that I have and see how those work out. So we'll get started. To get this off, there's two little pins or little slide clips. You just pull them up, they slide and pop out. They're right here and right here. It's kind of dark, that's why I did it out there, but they engage right here and right here. So now that that's out, we can go ahead and swap out our headlights. Are from Xtreme, and these are the P2 series, the 9005s for highs and lows. We went ahead and installed them. They installed nice and easy. You can see the HIDs that were on here before. There's a whole contraction that you have to do, and this is dangling around inside the bumper. It's destined for failure eventually. So we're going to go and leave that side in so we can compare the two. You can see the difference between the two. So right now we're going to go ahead and take these lower ones off, which is just a clip up here and right here, as you can see. And this whole assembly here will pop off. I think there's another clip right here, which is a little more reluctant usually to come out. You can see on the new one, it's right here. So just got to pull it out until it pops out. Usually it pops up pretty easily, but right now this is being a little on the difficult side. Alright, so we'll play around. These have been on here forever, so they were a little painful to get off, but they did come off. Alrighty, we're going to grab this, pull a little shielding off. Alrighty, so there's not a lot of room on this harness to turn this, and you got to make sure you got right and left correct. Once you get it in there, it's not too bad. That'll slide in like so, and then this clip will slide in that side, and this will slide in this side, and engage, and boom, our bottoms are in, and now we're ready for the top. So now we have our side indicator. We're going to put that one in, and then we're going to put our bulbs in. We want to make sure we have these oriented correctly, so we're not going to install it yet. We're just going to do a soft install. So Mikey, if you want to jump inside the truck, turn your headlights on, we're just going to make sure we're correct before we position all this stuff. So we got this verified that we're good. So we're going to go ahead and get this ready for install, and we'll do a soft install here so you can see the difference in these headlights. It's pretty dramatic. We did put new headlights in, but you can still even see, compared to the heads, it's a much wider, cleaner light. So thumbs up here for the Oxalax. That will be in the description, and we'll have a discount link there for you. Definitely more lumens and definitely a wider light. So we'll finish install on both sides and show you the end product. So you can do the slide. You got to make sure these two go down in here, and then this goes right here, and then you have these locks that are going to lock everything into position here. Very easy to install and disinstall. Okay, so push it in like so. So a little bit out. You just push it down and push it down. So one thing Chevy does nice on these. This one needs to go down a little bit more. As much as it goes, looks like. So we're good there. We're going to go and test the lights. Going to turn them back on again, and you can see our new lights. Those new lenses will be in the description. Super nice looking. We're going to go ahead and get the other side done just as fast as we did this side. So you're going to get these, and they will be out of adjustment, so you will need to get in there. There's adjustments on this side and this side. Right now we're out a little bit, so we're going to bring this in. You can see as we turn it, we're coming in right here, getting a tighter fit. We're also going to watch the beam. Go ahead and move out of the way, Mikey, for a second. We want to make sure that beam is getting straight where we need it to be, and then we want the headlight to sit flush, of course. So otherwise we'll be facing each other. We don't want that. So we'll get it nice and tight and where it belongs, and we'll make sure our beams are the way we like them, and then we're good to go. So we have the gap correct on this one, and usually what I like to do is just go ahead and go and see where we're going to see. So that is about right height there. If we need to change the height, we can. It's not a big deal. That one's right on too. So if we need to adjust, our adjustments are right here, but they're nails. So here's our after. Pretty darn good. So if you're interested in these lights, you get a full installation package. And Oxylam, we're going to put it in the description, the P2 series. Nice white light, looks gorgeous and nice and bright. Please like, subscribe, and share. We've got more products coming soon.